I wanna go. Don't come over here, bitch. Damn. The fuck? Jesus. Hey loves, welcome back. I look crazy. I told myself I was never coming on camera. First thing I saw me with a bonnet, but I need to clean. So I said, why not film it while I'm cleaning? Because tomorrow is Sophia's birthday and we are taking her to King's Dominion. So I'm just gonna start off this weekend vlog with me cleaning and doing all the homey things. And then I also want to give you guys a quick little house tour, because I did show you guys like my bottom floor, but I never showed you guys like really the tour of upstairs. So we're gonna do mini house tour part 2 on this one. And also tomorrow we're gonna go to King's Dominion together, so that's gonna be fun. But right now I need to clean. It's late. It's 8:24. We got home a little bit late from work because we had to stop by the store. Sophia wanted a custom birthday shirt. So Jason is gonna make her a birthday girl shirt. So we had to go to the store after work to get that, and then we had to stop by my mom's house to pick Sophia up and then get home. So we kind of been here maybe a little bit over an hour or two. But we ate. We just got Jersey Mike's for dinner today. So we ate, and now I need to clean. So again, like I said, it's 8:24. I came downstairs because I have to get my cleaning products. Most of the stuff that I use for, I'm gonna start on the bathroom. If I didn't mention that, I'm gonna start on the bathroom first. And I need to get my Tilex because I love using my Tilex in my shower. Found this the other day. This Sativa for the toilets. So I gotta get this. So today I gotta clean. I'm gonna clean the bathroom, my bathroom, Sophia's bathroom, wash the bathroom rugs. I'm already started washing Sophia's clothes because those need to be washed. What else? I'm gonna vacuum, clean the kitchen, mop the floors downstairs. So I'm gonna be moving and grooving. And I'm tired already. Girl, it's that time of the month. I just been tired. And I need to wash towels too. So that's another thing we're doing. The only thing I hate more than cleaning the bathroom is cleaning the shower, because the shower, the glass shower is such a hard thing to clean and keep clean because of like the soap scum and stuff like that. So the only thing that I really use, shit, I'm out of it. Oh, what am I gonna do? Okay, so this is what I normally use, which is this Barkeeper's Friends. It cleans off really, really good. This was scrubbing bubbles, but I'm out. So I'm gonna have to use the Tilex and try to get clean and scrub it. And then after that, I go in with this to keep the shower door like squeaky clean, super white. If you got a shower, or you know, you need to clean your bathroom, get you one of these brushes. I got this off of Amazon. Super easy to use to clean the showers and the bathrooms. Period. I just use this to mostly clean the walls of the bathroom. but I gotta keep going. It's late. It's late, but I gotta keep going. So the bathroom is done. I'm gonna spray some spray so it can smell good, not just smell like bleach. And I'm about to move on. So let's go. Top spray. I think I mentioned this before, but this is so good. You definitely need this in your house. You can use it if you got granite or quartz. So it says recommended for non-porous surfaces including wood, granite, and stone. So these, my countertops are granite. So yeah, definitely so good, and makes your kitchen smell good too. Sophia had a lot of fun. It's Sunday, so gotta get started for the new work week. It was so nice to come home to a clean house yesterday. I'm about to show you guys my house, my second mini house tour of, you know, the upstairs part of my house. If you guys didn't see the first mini house tour, I'll link it up in the cards somewhere so you guys can see it. She is going to be a pretty chill today. I need to figure out what I'm making for dinner, which I really don't know what I'm making for dinner. So we were just talking about if I'm going to order groceries or if we're just going to go to the store and get some groceries, which we probably will do. I'm pretty sure he's just going to want to go. Don't come over here, bitch. Damn. The fuck? Jesus. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna order some groceries. Not order some groceries. We're gonna go to the supermarket and get some groceries. That's what I was saying. We are getting ready to go upstairs. This is my bottom floor. We did a tour on. So we did a whole tour of this bottom floor already. And I showed you guys everything and even what's over there. So now we are about to go upstairs. So I think I'm gonna turn this light on so you guys can see better. Yeah, let's do that. So up my stairs, I definitely eventually want to change the carpet to hardwood on the stairs. Maybe that's a project we could do for next year, but I definitely want to do that. So when you come up the steps and you go to your left, this is our media room. We painted the walls black. We got movie signs and movie things. Our couch is the Amazon couch, the boneless one. It is a light in here too, but yeah, this is it. This is the boneless corduroy couch from Amazon. It's just a little space. They marketed it as a loft, so we just thought it'd be cool to make it the media room where we watch movies and everything. So I really love this space. The end tables here I got from Wayfair. Like I said, the couch was from Amazon, the boneless couch. Really comfy. It's nice and firm, more firmer than what I expected, and we've had it since we moved in. I think this was one of the first purchases that we bought. It was like maybe $5.69 at the time on Amazon. So love this. Super easy to fall asleep on, I'm gonna tell you that. So yeah, we love this couch, love this space. What happened? So then you come out the media room, and then this is our room, and you guys have seen our makeover video and everything. Still lots to do in here, but I love this space. This is definitely my dream space. We're still working on it, so more videos to come on what we do to this space. And then here is our bathroom. Super simple, easy peasy bathroom. And then go out of our room, come back down the hall, and this is Sophia's bathroom. My girl's Hello Kitty themed out. This is going to be in the next video as well. We're adding a few finishing touches in here to make it more cute. Add her a little bit more pizzazz in here for you here. Sophia's room, it is in the other video. I will link it. And my laundry room, as you can see, it's a mess because I'm doing laundry right now. But this is my project to tackle for the day. I'm gonna like sweep the floors and do all of that stuff today. But yeah, my laundry room, typical laundry. And straight ahead is the linen closet, just the linen closet. And then this room here is my workout space slash we keep Sophia's school supplies in here as well, and the printer, because it's still like just a mixed space right now. I use it mostly just to work out and stuff, but eventually it probably will change to a guest bedroom. And then finally is my closet room. Y'all, don't judge me, the room is a mess. We are going to tackle this room sometime, just not right now. This is going to be my closet. I have a whole design thing that we're doing for this room, my whole closet space, but it's going to be super quick when I show you what this look like. Don't say nothing. All right, here we go. You see it? And then you put the shrieking noise. All right, that's it. It's literally just clothes. I put all my clothes there after I unpacked, and never looked at it again. I go in there and get my perfume, and I come out. And every weekend I say I'm gonna work on this space. I'm gonna work on this space. I'm gonna work on this space. And I haven't done it yet, but I'm gonna get to it. I really am gonna get to it. I'm gonna do it. That is the last of the mini house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video very, very soon. Bye.